Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix NBA 2K25 game slow download problem or the stuck on downloading. Guys, why this happen? Because a lot of processes is running on your PC background. You can right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. You can also go to the Windows search, type the task manager and open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background applications that are useless and that you are not using. Then guys, go to the startup apps. You can also click on the end task. Now guys, here you will see all the background application. When you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission. So all you need to do is just right click on that application and just simply disable these. Guys, after the setting, now go to the Windows search again and type here the monitor, and the resource monitor will show on the top. Just simply open it. Now here go to the network and you will see all the apps or the software that are using your network. So it can consume a lot of MBs or a lot of KBs on your PC that will cause your game slow download. So what you need to do is just simply right click on that all processes that are useless and click on the end process. Thus, once you close all the processes from your resource monitor, then go to the Windows site again and type in the proxy setting and simply open it. And here you just need to make sure that the manual proxy setup is off, and you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. After that guys, just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed after all of the solution, then go to the Windows and type at the CMD and click on the run as administrator. And now guys, here just type the command which is ipconfig and space forward slash and flush DNS. Guys, once you type it, hit the enter, and this command will flush all your DNS resolver cache. This is very important. And guys, just type the netsh and space winsock and space reset. Guys, once you type it, just hit the enter, and then you can just simply restart your PC. And after the restart, hope your problem will be fixed after one of the solution. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.